Wow, you can already count to 20. วันนี้เราจะไปต่อถึงเลข100กันค่ะ Let's learn how Thai people say 21, 50, and 100. Stay until the end for a fun practice challenge. Thai numbers are easy. We just combine words. 21, 21, 22, 22, 30, 30. Yi is a special word used only in 20. 20. After that, it's the same pattern. 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. And here's the big number, 100. In Thai, 100 means 100. Conversation example. Age. คุณอายุเท่าไหร่คะ How old are you? ฉันอายุ25 ปี I'm 25 years old. จริงหรอ เพื่อนฉันอายุ30 ปี Really? My friend is 30. See, numbers are super useful in everyday life. Cultural tip. In Thai culture, some ages are considered lucky or important. For example, 25, 25, is often a milestone age. Did you know 100 means 100 and also means to string together, like threading beads? Let's practice together. Say after me. 21, 21, 30, 30, 50, 50, 100, 100. Bonus challenge. Now, can you say these numbers in Thai? 29, 45, 99, 100. 29, 45, 99, 100. Mini quiz. How do you say 50 in Thai? 20, 50, 70. The correct answer is 50. Great job! You can now count from 1 to 100 in Thai. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support us. And don't miss the next episode. Learn Thai numbers 100 to 10,000. See you soon!